naman na talagang story first ka, 'di ba? But handling these two stars of the moment, what's your vision for this?
Guitar.
Ang vision ko is mapakita sa mga tao na they're more than their hype. Kasi napaka-hype nila ngayon, di ba?
Correct. Ang ganda
So, ako, parang ang gusto kong maging silbi sa journey nila as actors is to, be a stepping stone into showing people what they really got.
You've been such an observant director, artist. What have you observed kay Andres and what have you observed kay Ashtin?
Okay, si Ashton, nakatrabaho ko na yan sa pelikula kong The Ship Show. And ito, no joke, after kong magawa yung Ship Show, talagang I put in a good word sa Viva na sabi ko, alagaan nyo si Ashton because she could be one of your next stars. Kasi she got it all, acting, she's pretty, di ba? She also sings and dances, so perfect package. So sinabi ko talaga yun sa Viva. And ngayon na makakatrabaho ko na siya sa isang pelikula, siya yung bida, parang it just goes to show na parang tama yung naging reading ko sa kanya noon, di ba? Si Andres naman, ganun din. Back in 2023, pinipitch ko na tong project na to kay Boss Vic. And talagang nilagay ko as actor doon sa role ni Rafi. Siya, wala pang mutya nun, hindi pa siya ganun kasikat in public as an actor. Pero parang nagkaroon lang din ako ng gut feel na he could be one of the next leading men sa Viva. And eto na tayo.
Eto na tayo. And what do you love about the chemistry no nag-look test kayo sa Rizal when nung nakita mo silang dalawa in action?
Yun nga, kay off-screen man or on-screen, they have this like genuine chemistry, organic na closeness na kasi kapag nagagawa mo siya off-screen, ang dali na lang yan dalhin on-screen.
Oo.
Then aside from that, yung instructions ko rin as director, ang dali nilang na-pick up.
Oh.
Kasi kung titingnan yung teaser, di ba, parang sinabi lang nila yung pangalan ng isa't isa.
Correct.
Pero parang may may dala-dala na. May
Oo.
dala-dala na. So, diniscuss namin yun nung shoot namin yung teaser na ganito yung state of mind ni Rafi sa panahon na to. Tapos si Luna, ganito. And ang dali nilang nakuha. In fact, parang 1-2 takes. Tapos kayo.
Oh, wow, 1 to 2 takes Ang galing for them, di ba? Na coming from a totally different series. Right? And
Yung nuance, nakuha
oo.
talaga nila yung nuance ka.
And yung Gen Z, Gen Alpha, bakit sila rin yung perfect beacon to mirror it to in a film, no?
Kasi ang dami ng pelikula tackling millennial romance, di ba? And yung karamihan ng mga Gen Z, yung mga young love na pelikula, madalas very cartoony in the sense na parang larger than life, hindi sila makatotohanan. Not that they're bad, they're entertaining. Pero ako, gusto ko personally gumawa ng isang young love through mature eyes.
Oh.
Diba? Yung totoo. Gusto natin ipakita yung totoo. No matter how messy it is, pinapakita natin na love is a beautiful thing, but it can get messy to achieve.
And speaking of messy to achieve, 'di ba? Maingay ang social media,
Yeah.
direct, 'di ba? How do you guard yourself from the external forces that be, which is
Oo.
yung mga 10,000 tags sa'yo
Yeah.
in a day?
I mean,
And there's gonna be more with this one,
I'm
with
sure.
Ashdress on board.
I mean, hindi naman ako bago sa ganyan.
Correct, it's
Oo,
not your
kasi
first rodeo.
may time pa ng career ko na nabagsagan akong patola na director. Pero ngayon, I've learned how to
Naparecall ako doon. Oo nga, oo, tama.
I've learned how to regulate my emotions, not to take anything personally. So, ako, kapag may nababasa akong negative, parang ina-analyze ko na lang, meron bang point yung sinasabi?
Oo.
Ngayon, kung wala naman, is it worth na bigyan ng attention? So,
Correct,
ganun lang
correct.
ako. I cannot control how people react, but I can control how I
Your
feel. Yeah.
content. But ang galing, direct, because this is gonna be such a huge milestone for Ashdress and they're in good hands with you. So congratulations.
Ay, salamat po.
Thank you.
Sabi ko nga kay Aga, talagang nangako ako na sa kanila ni Miss Charlene na I will make sure na after this project, Andres and Ashtin na rin will come out of this project as better actors.
O yun talaga yun. Thank you so much. Thank you, Direk.
Salamat.
Thank you, Direk. So happy for you. Akala ko may ilalaban mo to sa